Hi Planner Pals, it's Nancy from Sweet Planet, and today I'm going to give you an ERIN Condren unboxing. This is the first time I've ordered anything from ERIN Condren. I love the way it's packaged, and I just want to say I apologize. My dog is squeaking her toy and barking in the background. But let's get into the unboxing. I love this blue tissue paper, so pretty. Ooh, and it comes, I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing that this is, yeah, this is the case. It comes in a really nice ERIN Condren cotton pouch. And so this is the outside. This is the inside with all of the elastics. I like the little flower stamp. It has a really nice feel. I know it's vegan leather, but it feels really nice. It's kind of cushy, and I absolutely love the color. It's a little bit more yellow than it's appearing here on the screen. It looks kind of green, but it's like a mustard yellow. So let's put that aside. And then I ordered all of the Petite Planner set. So I've gotten, this is Your Future is Bright. This is the daily planner for April through June. And then here it is for January through March. So 1 quarter, 2 quarters. So I have half the year right here for 2021. Change starts with you and your future is bright. And these are the, well, I might as well open it up. These are the planner pages. This is a traveler's notebook style planner. And oh, it's much thicker than I thought it would be. It feels nice, and even the cover feels nice. And here's your daily planner. And here's a page layout. So, oh, that's a weekend. So it looks like, yeah, here's January, monthly calendar with a notes section. And then January 1st is on one day with boxes to set up however you'd like. And then you can do to-dos. And then the weekend was on one page. But then all of the weekdays are on their own pages. It's very nice. I love the feel of the paper. I'm usually not into decorations on the page, but these are very nice. I like the little font here for the calendar. It's handy to have the calendar right on every page. Oh, and there's some, let's see. That takes you to the end of the month. Here's a note pages, and a strong foundation is built on infinite layers. And then here's a bunch of page stickers. Nice. Okay, so I'm sure that this one is the same just for April through June. And these are productivity pages. I like this floral cover. Oh, and it even continues on the inside. And then I guess this is just for like planning out goals that you want to do, and then, you know, tasking it out to make the goal happen. This is really nice. I'm looking forward to playing around with this book. This one is, oh, this is a goal setting journal. Hold the vision, trust the process. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna love this too. So you have your goals that you want to do, and then your to-do list to achieve those goals. And another sticker page. A goal without a plan is just a wish. So I wonder if this one, no, this doesn't have sticker, but okay. And I love that these are all really different, but they kind of go together. It's kind of nice. Oh, and I really loved the look of this on their website. So this is a petite journal. And I'm going to provide links to all of these in the description. Successful people are simply those with successful habits. Oh, and it's a habit tracker. How nice is this? I love that it's color coded. I like that, I mean, a lot of habit trackers take up the space on them is so tight that it's hard to, I don't know, just makes my eyes go crazy. But this continues their floral theme. I love all the color combinations. You could do all kinds of tracking in this. That's great. Okay, what's this one? This is another petite journal. There's a kaleidoscope with gold foil. Oh, and this is just a journal to write in. You could do gratitude in here. You could do just daily journal pages, morning pages. Okay, and here is the year in preview. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so this is really to get you planning. So there's ways to use it, and then what worked, what didn't work this year, goal brainstorming, defining your goals, the action items you're going to take. There's really a lot of goal setting with these petite planners, and I love that. Oh, and then there's quarterly check-ins. Very nice. And here's calendar. This is a really nice book, and here's little stickers for the dates. A little progress each day adds up to big results. And what's this? Enjoy. So these are little gift tags if you were going to give this as a gift. It's very nice. Very nice. And the last one is some grid pages. So I have a lot that I have to keep track of outside of calendar pages and like brainstorming and things like that and projects. So I thought a gridded planner would be really nice in my traveler's notebook. So I got this one. So that is everything I got. I don't know, I got so many books, I didn't realize I was buying this many. Went a little crazy because the notebook holds 4. And yeah, I went a little more than 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this one makes 8. So I'm going to have to narrow it down and decide which ones I'm going to put in here. In fact, let's take this box away. And let's just clear this stuff out and decide what we're going to put in the book and how we're going to use it. So the calendar seems to be the most important thing to me. So I'm going to put that in the first part. These elastics are thicker than other elastics that I've used in traveler's notebooks, but it does not seem annoying. I like that. All right, so there's my planner. And then this is a goal setting one. I think I'm going to put this second. So I'm just going to go to find that center seam, and you can find it because here's all the stitching. And I'm just going to slide that into the book. I know that's how my other traveler's notebooks have worked, so I'm going to try it that way with this one. Let's just make sure, yep, that's the front. And let's see, I've got the habit tracker, I have this planner, I have the blank pages. This is for goal planning, for preview of a year. And this, okay, I definitely want this one with the dot pages. And I like that they're numbered. So what's nice here is that it gives you index. So I have my numbered pages, but then they give you an index so you can write down what your pages are so you can actually find the things later. Now I'm going to find that center seam and I'll put that one in here. I'm going to put this one last because that's how I have it in my current planner. So I have one more left that I need to decide on. Here's my last elastic. So I've got this, I really like this one. Blank pages, I don't really need that one as much because I have the dot grid. Maybe that's for the second half of the year. This one is the productivity, but I already have one of those. So I'm debating whether I want to do the habit tracker or the year in preview. I think because we're almost in January, I'm going to go with the year in preview because I really love working on setting goals and evaluating what worked and what didn't. So I'm going to put this one in for now. I think at some point I will be switching it out for this habit tracker. So let's just see how all this looks. I've got my 4 books in here. And there it is. They fit pretty well in there. And then I can just put this over it to close it up. Very nice. So I'm going to use this as I've set it up for a week. And then I'm going to come back to you and do a review to let you know how that worked. Nice and chunky. Don't you love that?